How to log in Snapchat account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. If you have logged out of your Snapchat account and need to log back in, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of logging into your Snapchat account. Let's get started. Open Snapchat on your device. You will land on its official login or sign up page. Tap on the login option located beside already have an account text. Enter the username or email associated with your Snapchat account. For me, it's auto-written. Alternatively, you can even use your phone number by tapping on the provided option. Next, type in your password. I have copied it, so I will simply paste it over here. Choose whether you want to save your login info by ticking or unticking the checkbox. Once your credentials are entered, tap on login and boom, you have successfully logged into your Snapchat account. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.